Right, pair of straight line question, more than one option. So given here, this pair of lines making an angle alpha with given line. Easily you can write the pair of lines represented by given equation. Let it be y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. These two making an angle alpha with given line y plus x equal 0, you can write y is equal to minus x. Here first line slope m1, second line slope m2, let the third line slope is m3, easily you can write it is minus 1, right? Now angle between 1 and 3, first equation and third one, angle between y equal to m1x and y equal to minus x given as alpha. So apply angle formula, tan alpha is equal to what? m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, right? So m1 minus m2, m1 is m1, here m2 take my m3 as minus 1 by 1 plus m1 m2, 1, m1 into minus 1 you get minus m1, right? So similarly for second, angle between this and this second line is also alpha, therefore again the tan alpha can be written as the same tan alpha for second and third equation, minus 1 minus m2 by 1 minus m2. Clear? Yes. Now apply componendo dividendo here. Tan alpha means tan alpha by 1. So apply componendo dividendo. Here you get tan alpha plus 1 by tan alpha minus 1 is equal to, you know, component dividendo, a by b equals c by d, a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d, right? So apply componendo dividendo. So here what you get? M plus 1 plus m minus 1, m1 m1 cancel, 1 plus 1 you get 2 by this minus this 1 gets cancelled, you get 2m1, right? So this is nothing but 1 by m1. Clear? So similarly apply componendo dividendo. Here directly you get tan alpha plus 1 by tan alpha minus 1 is equal to m2, right? The first one is 1 by m1, second one is m2. Clear? Right. Now by using the first equation, that is 1 by m1, by using 1 by m1 you can write that as m1 is equal to, right? You can write here directly I am adding, observe this step, that 1 by m1 I am taking as m1. If it is m1, what do you get? Tan alpha minus 1 by tan alpha plus 1 plus m2 is nothing but tan alpha plus 1 by tan alpha minus 1, right? Now solve, expand this. Solve and expand, what we get? Right here, simple steps. A plus b of a minus b, you get tan square alpha minus 1. Clear? So here this is tan alpha minus 1 whole square plus tan alpha plus 1 whole square. You get 2 into tan square alpha plus 1. Now what is m1 plus m2 here? m1 m2 are slopes represented by this pair of lines. Then m1 plus m2 you can write it as minus 2h by ab, a1 b1. So that gives m1 plus m2, you get minus 2h by 1. Here 2 tan square alpha plus 1 by tan square alpha minus 1. So all you know what is tan square alpha plus 1, that is secant square alpha. Here write tan square as sine square by cos square, right? Sine square by cos square, therefore you get sine square alpha minus cos square alpha by cos square alpha. These two gets cancelled. Now this gives minus 2. Cos square alpha minus sine square alpha is cos 2 alpha, but it is in reverse. Therefore minus of 1 by cos 2 alpha can be written as secant 2 alpha. So 2 gets cancelled, minus gets cancelled. So first option is correct here. So what is first option? Secant 2 alpha is equal to h. Clear? Right. Now if secant 2 alpha is equal to h, this is one more option question. So what are the options here? Check the remaining, try to convert. So already we got secant 2 alpha as h. So in second option cos alpha is there, check for cos alpha. Secant 2 alpha is h, therefore cos 2 alpha you can write 1 by h. By using cos 2 alpha formula, that is 2 cos square alpha minus 1 is equal to 1 by h, right? Then 2 cos square alpha is equal to 1 plus 1 by h, take LCM, h plus 1 by h, right? So cos square alpha is equal to h plus 1 by 2h, that implies cos alpha is equal to under root h plus 1 by 2h. So second option also correct. So by using cos alpha, so this is not sine 2 alpha exactly. From cos alpha we can't get this is wrong. So observe for cot alpha. If cos alpha is equal to h plus 1 by root 2h, cot alpha can be written as, right? So from here we can write sine alpha as cos alpha is this one. Just use right angle triangle concept. Okay, right angle triangle concept. Let it, this is alpha. By using right sine alpha. So after writing sine alpha, you can check cos alpha by sine alpha gives the fourth option. So easily you can check fourth option by applying right angle triangle concept. Okay, so this is the solution for this question.